Hi, Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're here at a very large failing deck. We got something that's about 10, 15, about 18 feet out, and the walkway, we got about 10, 20, 30, about 35 feet to here. Then we've got this whole main part of the deck, and let's estimate about 10, 15 feet out from the house, and we are approximately 10, 15, about 18 feet up to the beam. And we probably have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, probably a good 90 to 100 feet down here. So let's take a look at the problems. First of all, we can see the water staining on the underside of the beams here, and while water staining itself is not a problem, what it really shows is, for an older deck, that water has penetrated through from the top and has likely begun to deteriorate these beams. And I know that because when we come over here a little bit further where we can get a better look, we begin to see the white stuff. Probably can't see it in this video, but that's mycelium. It's a fungus that's in the wood, and it's in the beam here, it's in the beam there, it's actually in all the beams all the way down. We also have posts that are apparently beginning to rotate. The piers have definitely rotated and they're out of plumb. So actually you can see how the post is cocked that way because that has rotated. And we do see signs of earth settling here. The earth is pulled away. You can see the bottom of the foundation exposed over time. And the pier work here may have to be redone. We're 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 piers, 9, 10, 11, 12, a good 15 piers. But let's take a look a little closer at anatomy of a deteriorating and decaying deck. You can probably see all the white spots that are up there. That's all mycelium. It's a fungus growth, and it's all in the beam, and it's deteriorated the beam. This is a very dangerous deck to be standing on. You can see more evidence of it right up over here. Here I can get the camera in a little closer. That white stuff is not a surface stuff. It's actually growing inside the wood and deteriorating the beam. So all of this needs to come out and be redone. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another deck replacement structural repair job, and we'll keep you posted as we go through it. Thank you.